Colonel, I mean, anything else you'd like to mention in terms of, I guess just general sustainment of your aircraft and the readiness center? Anything else that we need to touch on?
No, well, I mentioned already the very nice opportunities there will be for us human beings with wearable technology. And the strange thing now, maybe that's a nice topic to discuss, is that overall, if you look into not only F-35 but also other modern airframes, everything's being measured on the airframe. And we talked about sustainment and the digitalization of the sustainment and maintenance of an airframe. Everything's being measured. The strange thing is, on a human being flying such an aircraft, nothing's being measured. And that's strange. I mean, see ourselves as a weapon system also. I mean, we want to know if how people perform. I want to know where actually pilots are looking at with eye tracking and gaze tracking. I want to know how their heart's performing, how the lungs are doing, and that kind of stuff. And that's not being done at all. So we are trying to speed up that innovation cycle, and not only in the Netherlands, or also other countries are doing that, but to pick up especially that kind of data. And that's exciting, especially when you want to look into the man-machine teaming. You have to know if people perform in a better way using new technology or in a worse way, for instance. So so that's exciting. But people are not always aware that when a pilot flies an aircraft, that nothing's being measured on a pilot. And hopefully the next couple of years we can speed up that innovation cycle. And when you partner with a company like Collins, it takes guts for them also to partner with an Air Force as a subcontractor in a very, very large project. Because, if you measure that data, you want to represent that data as well. And for instance, a helmet with a helmet mounted display is a very obvious place to project some data which has to do with the status of the body. And if it's it probably will not be digital numbers or whatsoever, but a color or whatsoever. So that's exciting.